everyone, my name is
My name is...
Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna teach you and you the difference between Ande and Ande.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
So welcome back to KSTYLEYO channel. My name is Inyoung.
Oh, and I'm Emmanuel, and I'm driving
Okay. Are you really?
to the belly of the beast.
Today is such a beautiful day, but it's very cold. It's like minus 25 in Ottawa, Canada. So extremely cold. I don't know how Leonard's gonna handle outside today.
And we grew up kicking tennis balls in the minus 35 winters.
But you're older than Leonard's age.
True.
Right now. Yeah.
And we didn't wear hats. I somehow maintained my ears. It's pretty cool.
So if you're wondering, Leona is our daughter who's sitting right behind us. You may hear she's 9 months old. So yeah, you're gonna hear some funny sounds. So anyway, I'm gonna teach you the difference between Ande and Ande. So I thought about this topic because I started to talk to Leona only in Korean, and I would tell her Ande often. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that word, but anyways, I thought that there is a difference between Ande and Ande, and it might be interesting topic. But I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you know Ande?
No?
Oh, so you mean the answer is no, right?
Yes.
As in, like, Ande is no.
Nah.
Nah. That means, okay, I'm not gonna get into that. So he knows. Ande means no in Korean, in casual. If you add yo, 아니요, that becomes polite. But what is 안 돼? So 안 돼, you're gonna have space after 안. Okay? So do you know 안 돼?
Shouldn't?
Shouldn't. Okay.
Can't? No, not can't. Ande.
No, I don't know.
So for the pronunciation part, normally Korean people just say 안 돼, 돼, 에 vowel. But it's written as 왜, 안 돼. Okay? So 돼, do you know the verb 돼?
I used to know this. No. That's why I was trying to think if it's like shouldn't. But
Okay, 돼. So what do you think it is in dictionary form though, without knowing the meaning? 되다. Right? 되다.
되다, yeah, okay.
I actually have a video in this channel to talk about all the meanings about 되다 actually. One main thing is to become.
Oh yeah. Okay.
되다.
되다. 될 거예요.
될 거예요.
Oh.
But it's rare.
This guy go first.
돼 can be to become, or in this case is to be okay. To be okay. So meaning not okay. 안 is negation. That is coming before the verb.
So you could sort of be using it in a scenario where you would otherwise say you shouldn't do that.
Exactly. So you're actually correct, but you're just not confident.
Oh, really? There's some semantic differences.
Yeah. So ande means no, not okay, not okay. But technically, if you add another, I don't know how I'm going to explain this. Let me see. You can also interpret 되다 in this way. May not be permitted.
Unacceptable?
Unacceptable. ande means not be permitted. ande. If I'm gonna make a full sentence, give me an example.
So there's a clown car here with like 18 people, and I see floppy feet sticking out of that little mess. Give you an example? You shouldn't eat the poisonous fish.
Can you make it simple?
I don't know.
You shouldn't drive.
Why not?
Okay, that's an example.
Oh man, I can't even see.
I think we should do a car wash.
No, it's because of the moisture. It's because
okay.
we have the vent off.
So maybe let's say you shouldn't drive. Drive.
You shouldn't drive with foggy windows.
So what is drive in Korean?
자동차해요.
Oh my god. 운전하다.
운전하다.
Uh-huh.
운전하다.
So if I say you shouldn't drive, okay? So I can say if you drive in Korean structure, if you drive, not okay. We say if you drive, not okay. You learned if in the previous lesson. How'd you say if you drive?
Oh, sorry, this dude just created his own lane.
You always have an excuse. Anyway.
Well, I don't want to crash the car. You shouldn't crash the car.
운전하면, 운전하다.
운전하면.
And they add 면, that is if, right? 운전하면 안 돼.
운전하면 안 돼.
Yeah. If drive, not okay. So that becomes you shouldn't drive in English. Okay? So how about 먹으면 안 돼? Maybe babies love to just eat everything, right? Even if it's dirty or not, right? 먹으면 안 돼. 먹다 ends with a consonant, 먹, right? The verb root ends with a consonant. So I add 으면, if. 먹으면 안 돼.
먹으면 안 돼.
I think she's tired.
I think she's playing out a scenario between two different toys.
Oh. So if eat, not okay, right? So in English, you interpret you shouldn't eat. And another example, the last one. 가면 안 돼. What do you think I said?
가면, to go.
To go, right? 가면 안 돼. How do you interpret it in English?
You shouldn't go.
You shouldn't go. 가면 안 돼.
Oh,
good job.
where should you go?
Oh, you want to make a fuller sentence?
Yeah.
다운타운에 가면 안 돼.
Downtown of which city?
오타와.
Ottawa.
오타.
Downtown Ottawa. 가면.
다운타운에 가면 안 돼.
가면 안 돼.
오늘, today. But we're going. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We should give them homework. So for Ani, it's very oh, opa, don't do that.
I don't know why they're so slow.
They're deciding.
Oh my god.
Opa,
They've
please.
been doing that at every intersection for like 10 minutes.
My video.
Check it out, flags.
You shouldn't sing.
You shouldn't sing after midnight.
Okay, you shouldn't sing after midnight. That's one homework. And second one,
You shouldn't eat after midnight.
okay, that's too simple now.
I guess so. They already know how to do the midnight part.
You shouldn't honk while driving.
But how else are you ever gonna honk the car?
Okay. I mean, I always drive fine without honking.
Yeah, I don't know. If I was behind, if you were driving like that, dude, then I would expect everybody should honk at you.
You know, I got license before you, right?
And you got a ticket on your way to get the license.
Oh my god. Okay, let's talk about this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. Please leave them comment down below on the homework that we just gave you. And if you have any questions, also leave them comment down below. Then we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.